Hi, today we are going to see how to take orders for takeaway customers. So let's go to the menu, select the items that customer wants, select takeaway, self-delivery, right now takeaway, enter the takeout number, let's suppose it's 1245 and place an order. Now, if you want to see the details of the order, you can see from here on the table section as well. Plus you can go for order record and you can find that over here. So let's click on this, see the details, the takeaway number and the detail of the products that the customer orders, pay at cashier payment method, checkout. Now if you have any sort of temporary charges, let's suppose packing charges or something, you can mention over here, click on OK, and the payment method, cash, debit card, credit card. Let's suppose we are doing on cash and the customer paid 1000. Click on checkout, the change is 75, confirm and done. It's completed.